Creating a test from scratch using ExamView Test Generator. Choose Create a New Test from Scratch and give your test a title. This title will appear at the top of the test. Choose the type of question that you'd like to use. For this example, we'll start with true and false. Type your question in the question box. Select the correct answer and click Record. Now your question appears on your test. Let's try a multiple choice question next. Type your question above the answer choices. You can choose how many different answer choices you would like to use, from 2 to 8. Enter the correct answer and click Record. Let's take a look at using multiple response questions. Type your question above the choices. For this question, I'm going to choose 5 choices. Because there's more than one correct answer, I'm going to type all of the correct answers down here and click Record. Let's try a completion question next. Down here, I'm going to type in the answer. For our final set of questions, let's look at matching. I've typed my answer choices up top, but I don't need this many, so I'm going to adjust my list to go A through F. I can choose how many columns I want my list to be in. I'm going to stick with 2. Down here, I'm going to type the answer and the question. So, number 1, the question is going to be Petoskey. My answer will be D, because Petoskey is the state stone. I'll also need to adjust the number of questions that I have. When I'm all set, I click Record, and here is my last set of questions. My test is now complete, so I can save it. I can save it in my own drive, or I can save it in the shared drive if I want to share this with my team. Now that I've completed my quiz, I can have the kids use the clickers to take the assessment.